bronze medal. And here they go. The ready set go order was given by the juries, and now on the third and fourth line, Masata Hashimoto and Gia Gabedova, they are going on the lead, but I believe that Gabedova is slightly ahead. First three competitors from this final semi-final are going to that final A, which means that we should really look closely for the third and fourth position. And it seems that Gabedova was first, then Hashimoto from Japan, and from Tunisia, Khatali as third.